Welcome everybody, Trading Jesus, always here to update you about the prices, and today we're gonna talk about ZOMEDICA and the important resistance that we gonna hit by Monday, and we have the good jump by Friday, and this is really good to set incentive for the next week, but always be prepared for everything. So what we're gonna talk today about the prices that we're gonna hit. If we don't overcome this resistance level, the price will go lower, but we're gonna see a buying pressure at those levels, so you can actually capitalize on each drop or each price movement up. So you always have the probability up and down, so you always end up winning. So without further ado, guys, plus the like button and check the Patreon link in comment section below if you want one-on-one coaching or Discord channel. We discussed about pre-market, after-market, during market, about the prices, at the same time review for your favorite stock, about where you buy, where you sell. So without further ado, let's get right to the video. As we can see, guys, here at Friday, we have the last a few hours, and the 4 hours we got a big candle up, and we have the price go over our exponential average here, and this is really nice to see before we close by Friday. But however, we saw here a bit of rejection gonna happen by Monday, and this is important level for ZOMEDICA, guys. For this month we need to overcome this level. You know why? Of course, because if we got our candle touch this level around the 0.84 precisely by the cent, if we test it and we have a closing candle above, this time not a wick, guys, here there's a big potential that we're gonna see the 0.90 first before we go even to 0.95 or 97, and we see here we see a bit of rejection happening before we see the $1. So be careful, guys. First we have to have a closing candle above the 0.84, and this will be perfect scenario for the next week, and the big momentum will go up. And as we can see here, the momentum, the volume is above the zero, and this is perfect. And the other scenario that we don't want to see, but this is a potential that will happen, even though we got this massive big jump before the market ends. However, if we got rejected, this is a scenario that we might see. We see the candle go up, then we get rejected, and then it tests the 0.77, and this time if we just go below the 0.77, we see 0.76, big chance that we're gonna see the 0.70 again and test for this level. And if we don't hold, you know what the market maker will do? Usually they will test the price around the 0.98 this time. If we see a lower low than the last time that we did at 0.69 and we see 0.68, this is big incentive that we're gonna see the 0.60, guys, and here we're gonna see the big buying pressure, and the market maker will step in and buy a lot of shares from ZOMEDICA, because this will be good price at the moment, because as I told you, the key level always moving, so we have to be flexible. And here we're gonna see a big buying pressure by the next week if we just go below this technical level. So be careful, guys. Always have those prices in front of you in a piece of paper, so you never be like you forget, because everybody forget, but the market never forget. So here we bought the prices and buy at those level or sell at those level without any emotion. The moment you get emotion while trading, you lose. This is it. If you just get in a market without know how much you're gonna lose or how much you want to gain, and you just say, okay, I just want to make a profit of 10,000, come on, this is not realistic. At the same time, the market never care about how many money you will get until will drop down. It will drop even below your target. So the target is our risk management, how many you want to lose and how many you want to gain. First, start with the lose. How much you're gonna lose or you're willing to lose for any trade before you take any trade. This is really important, guys. I'm talking about swing traders and day trader, not about long holder. If you're long holder, by all my like just hold, and if the price go down, you just average down. But I'm talking about if you want to swing trade or even average down, you just buy at those prices, because this is a big probability that we're gonna see the big buying pressure around this technical area. And again, guys, here I just want to confirm about this level and stress again about this level, about 0.85. We're gonna test it by Monday, and we need to clear it this time, not with the rejection candle or a wick, to go over and test by this month below first the 0.95 before the $1. So if we saw even the 0.95, there's a big chance that we're gonna see even the 0.95 by the next week. If we have a closing candle above here, we're gonna see definitely below the $1. But around the $1, guys, we're gonna see a massive rejection unless we have the momentum never drop below the 0. That means we have the momentum to take us even higher. So guys, always protect yourself. Never like panic, because a lot of people tell me, okay, the index is going down whenever like they said we're gonna drop 10% and 20%, and a lot of people say even 1% go down and you get panicked. The idea is never panic if you see 1% or 2% or whatever market analysts said that the index will crash or something like this. If you have a strategy, if you know like your chart, you never be panic, because the moment the price go below any level, you know that you got out, even there's no crash, because the price will go lower if we don't respect this level. So never listen to like some projection of price, because you can't actually build a strategy on, and you just be paranoid. That's it. Like they told you like okay, ZOMEDICA will go to penny or ZOMEDICA will go to $10. Worry about today or tomorrow or on Monday, then the price for the future, everything could happen, guys. Nobody can predict 100% after 1 year what's gonna happen. Even for us, you don't know if you're gonna be alive. So this is the idea, is everything is not 100%, but the more shorter time frame we can actually predict more with accuracy. The more longer time frame, everything could happen for the market or for us, or so always have a projection for the short term and a big term as well. But the short term first, because that we can control at least in the short. So without further ado, guys, if you have any comments in section below, and bless the like button, and see you in the next video.